Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's crystal time! So this is a crystal blowing kit. These are the crystals we can make today. I don't know why there's an astronaut here. Maybe that's just a picture. So let's get into it. So these are frosty diamonds and these ones are spiky crystals. Now we have to wait for 2 whole weeks to glow. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Okay, so we've let our crystals sit for 2 weeks. Now look at them. Pretty cool, right? So how did these crystals just form with water and powder? I bet CB knows the answer.
Hey Domino, I may have the answer for you. You see, the white powder you're using is a mineral called borax, or sodium tetraborate. When you mix the borax with hot water, the borax dissolves. However, the water can only hold a certain amount of the dissolved borax. When it gets to this point, we say the dissolved borax is saturated. And once there is more dissolved borax than there is water, we say the dissolved borax is supersaturated. As the water evaporates and the supersaturated solution cools off, molecules reform into new geometric shapes known as crystals. You can see the detailed ridges in the crystals if you look closely.
Cool, hey friends, let's try that. Luckily, this kit comes with a stand with a light and a magnifying glass.
But first, it's time for Domino's Book Nook.
Ha ha ha. What's so funny? Today I'm gonna destroy Dogman once and for all. Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true. But dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did? Slap. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers. This is way cooler, and once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman, and it won't stop until he gets sucked up. Ha ha ha. Yee-haw. Zoom. Oh, Dogman. Let's get ready to Roomba. Dogman, scared, he runs away. Go on and run, you haven't got a chance. This vacuum cleaner has 6,000 HP, a motor and endless power supply. And the bag expands so it can suck almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got a good idea. Find out what Dogman's good idea was. In this book of Dogman, there's 8 books in these series. Get them all and you'll love them. Until next time. Wow, that's beautiful! Let's look at some more. Let's try it in the dark. Look at that.